Yo, what's going on, folks? I want to do a quick video right here. Show some of you people that's having trouble with your USB chargers. You see how ends get all crimped up. Well, this end don't get that crimped up that much, but this end right here, that you see right there, I got some glue on it. I'm gonna show you guys what kind of glue it is, but this has been like this for about 8 months. So we'll go ahead and switch it out. Add another. Oh, I didn't cut the cord. Alright, so all you're gonna do is, and I'm gonna redo this whole thing right here. And you can tell these cores ain't worth about nothing how they make them, because you can see right here how it's just, that's normal wear and tear right there, all the way down the cable. I mean, this cable's like probably a year old, but still though, you know, want to get my money's worth. Even though it came with the phone, but alright, so all we doing, and I'm gonna take that off later, but I'm just gonna move that down. You see right there how it's just normal, that normal wear and tear. I think you got some moisture getting up in there or something, I don't know. But alright, so the reason I first put the hot glue on there is because I was getting some fraying right here. Well, it's normal bending. Started right here, as you can see right there. Got some fray up there, but you see how it's just, the casing is just coming off. Now you ain't gotta throw that away. I'm gonna show you guys a trick. Cause that's just your outer wire right there. You got your other wires underneath that. I mean, the outer shell is good for something, but for charging, I don't think it really matter that much if it's frayed, but it's still intact, as you can see. So in 1 second. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some electrical tape. Now this is just for the head right here. You want to have a nice sturdy base. So we're just going to go ahead and just wrap that up. Wrap that up real good. And back in the day, I used to just use electrical tape. Then of course the electrical tape is going to keep coming apart. So when you're doing this too, you want to wrap it around as high as you can without interfering with your charger, because that's going to be like your foundation for your glue, right? You don't want to just have the tape right here, because that'll be the same as not having it, because the head is still going to move. So we pretty much want this area to be solid, but stable. Not solid, but stable. So just go ahead and wrap your electrical tape around that tip right there. Yeah, I'm going to fix this part later though. See how that's all frayed up? I mean, how much these cords cost? About what, $5, $10? But this is a trick for anybody, in a situation where they can't get to one. So all you have to do is just wrap it up with any kind of tape. I use electrical tape. Then you're going to take you a hot glue gun. I actually got this from a Dollar Tree. Then I went to one of them hobby stores and got me a pack of glue sticks. So all you're going to do is you're going to take your hot glue and you're going to cover this whole area up. I mean, yeah, it's going to look funny, but you're going to get like another 5 to 6 months out of this cord, guarantee. You're going to get another 5 to 6 months out of this cord. And you see I had to cut the other glue off, and that's been on there for about 8 months. You just want to go ahead and just cover that whole area. Cover that whole area, like you're putting it in a shell. There you go. I don't know how many people know about this, but I just found this out 8 months ago. And yeah, so just cover that up, you know. So once that dry, we're gonna have us a brand new, well, not brand new, but a pretty secure cell phone tip right there. And just let that sit. Should be darn near dry right now. Yep, it's almost there. Wait a minute, folks. Grab me some old hot glue sticks. I'm gonna show you this other method. Alright, folks, as you can see, glue is just about dried, and I mean, it's on there pretty tough, you know. I can still add some more to kind of even it out, but actually I'm gonna do that right now. Just go ahead and even that out, just so it feel right in your hand, you know. Just so it feel right in your hand. Go ahead and fill up them holes. We're gonna set this to the side. I got something else I want to show you. So another option is we're gonna use a paper clip right here. Right there. So we got a cord right here, as you can see. It's getting there, you know. It's getting there, so just for some added support, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this paper clip and I'm gonna tape it just like this. I'm gonna tape it to the wire. I'm gonna tape it to that head and the rest to the wire. So we're gonna take our side snitch right here. See that? Just cut off enough length to where we can get it going. Take out some electrical tape. Now you can use whatever tape you want. You ain't even gotta use tape, you know. But you know, electrical tape. I like it. You know, it's sticky. It just does the job. It's stretchy, so you can pull it around there nice and tight. So what we're gonna do is just go ahead and wrap this paper clip around this cable right here. See how we're doing that? Just wrapping that paper clip around there. Now you could probably leave it like this, and you know you could do this as soon as you get your charger. That way you don't have to worry about it. See, it's nice and sturdy. You don't have to worry about it bending. You know, just make sure you put enough tape on it if you're gonna use it like that. But I wanna let me use my hot glue gun and kind of seal it up, you know, to finish the job. But alright, that's what we're gonna do. Hold on. Alright, folks. So what we're gonna do is just take that, just go ahead and coat all that in your hot glue. Just go ahead and coat it over. You know? And you get a pack of hot glue sticks for like, I think they might sell them at the dollar store, for real. Just go ahead and coat all that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna coat it all the way down to the last point. Because if you don't coat that, it's gonna start to unwrap. Alright? I mean, you can even do a bead just at the seams if you wanted to, you know? If this hot glue, it's gonna stay on there. So there you go, folks. Check it out. Got us coated. Got it coated in our hot glue. It ain't gonna move. It ain't gonna bend or nothing. We got that. We got that paper clip in there. Go ahead and sit that down. So here's our other one. See the hot glue done already dried up. You know, and it's sturdy like it is, you know. And you don't even have to worry about this part, you know. It's just the head right here that gets all moving around and stuff. But you ain't even got to worry about this for a long time. I'm talking about 5 to 6 months, you know. So, yeah. Something that costs, what, at the most $3 is hot glue gun. Got it from the dollar store. That was $1. Pack 100 hot glue sticks. Got that for probably like $1 and some change. So for less than $1, you can keep and maintain your current cell phone charger.